Hello. Today I'm going to make a video for Naomi, who said, I just want to create a WordPress website. There's a bit to know, and I mean, if it was super easy, everybody would just do it, which is why people often get my help. But I am going to just go through the motions of showing you what I tend to do, like the main things I do when I'm creating a WordPress website. There is one important thing to know if you're going to build a WordPress website is you can go and create a free WordPress website, and I really don't recommend that. That's definitely what I started with, and it was really great. If you're at the beginning and you want a free website, I would actually recommend Squarespace. I really dislike Squarespace, but I think it's a better option for a free site. WordPress gets really messed up, and actually, I don't know, I don't really recommend a free website, especially if you're going to buy a domain. If you're going to buy a domain, just do this way. Okay. Now, that's the thing with a website is you need to have your domain and hosting. So I'm hoping you have that. If you don't have that, I love using Ventra IP. I'm going to put my affiliate link for them down in the description. They have great customer service. They also have an insane sale right now. It's the 26th of June. Until the end of June, they have a really great sale on. And they frequently have sales, so it's worth checking out. You can often get your first year or two at half price or less. So really recommend Venture IP. So go to Venture IP and get, oh, that's a little alarm. And get icon. Oh, let's look. Let's look. Let's look at it. Okay. Oh, this is my YouTube channel. Let's go to Ventra IP. Hopefully you'll use my link. Oops, I just want to make my window bigger. So this is how I do it. I go to hosting and I choose custom hosting. Then I go down and I make sure all these are toggled small because for us, we don't really need all this storage and stuff. And later on, you can update it, drag it up. Look at this sale, $3.30 a month. So I would change it to pay yearly. And if you can get 2 years, I'd be going for 2 years. I don't do any of this extra stuff. So let's just click buy now. And then, I mean, if you don't have your domain yet, they'll give you your domain as well. How can I do this to show you how much it would cost? And then you just search for your, .com. And then they'll have a little search. Great, it's available. The only thing is, oh, did I say that I have one? Oh, I see what I've done wrong. I'm such a goober. Oh, they'll let us do it for 2 years. Honestly, this is an insane bargain right now. Like, insane bargain. And is it going to let me continue? I need a domain name. And then they're going to tell me whether my desired domain is available or not. Yep, I can get it as a .com.au. You'll need an ABN if you're going to do that one. Otherwise, .com's available. It's a little bit more. I like to buy both. So anyway, let's just carry on as if we're going to use this. So yeah, they're going to want my ABN. I don't remember what my ABN is. Well, that's my client's ABN. If I click continue, it's going to happen. So I'm not going to do that. But once you go through the process of creating your acquiring your domain and hosting, then you will come into this thing, your dashboard, and then you're going to see under web hosting, you're going to see the domains that you are paying for hosting for. Then come over and click on cPanel. I can't exactly demo this because I've already set it up, right? But these are the steps I go through. I come down to Installtron, Applications Installer, and it's not going to let me see them all. Is it? Oh, that's annoying. Let's see if I can get in and see Installtron. applications. Like normally when I look at this, just look for Installtron Apps Installer and click WordPress, right? And then it'll sort of ask you a few questions. Is it going to show me now? It'll ask you the name and it'll ask, for your username, for your different things, the website title. You don't need to have a tagline. And then you just click down the bottom, it'll say install. And oh, this would be good if we had automatic backups. Okay, let's save that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. And then WordPress is on your website. Then I usually go straight into the admin view. And once I'm in here, that's it. You have a WordPress website. So the actual getting is not really a big deal. For me, then the next trip is, well, got a blank website. Doesn't look like anything flash. I mean, mine is all populated, right? Because I've got a theme. And so then you have to think about what are you going to use as a theme. I love Divi. I bought the lifetime license a long time ago, and I've definitely got my value worth because I'm a website developer. But if you want, I'm happy to put the Divi theme on your website and save you buying it. I think it's like maybe 250 US for the lifetime. I actually don't know. But you go to Elegant Themes. So I'm going to share my affiliate link for Divi in this as well. Yeah, I wouldn't actually. If you know someone who will give you access with their license, I wouldn't bother paying for it unless you're a website developer and you want to make lots of websites. So the Divi theme I love, and I have a lot of videos. I mean, I'll share a video here somewhere to a Divi theme video that I have. The main thing I love about Divi theme is you can look at it and edit it, and what you see gets edited rather than it used to be you had to go in and edit the page in WordPress and then you'd come and look at the front. I just hate that, and it just makes it so quick. But people have arguments against Divi that it's slow and other things. I also have a tool called Divi Rocket that speeds up the page load and things like that. There's the things you can do to get around that. For me, it's just what I'm used to. And there really is no, in my opinion, no theme better than any other theme. It's just what you're used to. I also have a little training course for Divi. Oh, yeah, I'll link that product if you decide to get Divi and you want a hand with editing. There's a little class on 5 core lessons on editing your website. And what else would I say? I mean, yeah, that's probably enough. I mean, it isn't hard to create a WordPress website. What it is it really worth you learning it, Um, because if you're not going to do it all the time, like because I build websites for people, it's made sense for me to learn it. And I do teach all my clients how to make minor edits, but the whole process of creating an entire website, yeah, I mean, it's a lot of work and it might not be worth it for you to learn that, but you should definitely have a crack. It's definitely achievable. If you're even remotely techy, you can probably figure it out. And I would really encourage you to use layouts. I love the Divi layouts. Like some graphic designer's gone and designed all these beautiful pages. And once you choose one layout, your whole website can use that layout for your about, homepage, contact form, say, services pages. All your pages have this same layout. It makes it very cohesive with fonts and colors and things. So I love layouts. I don't know what else to say about it really. I guess definitely it's possible. Have a crack. And yeah, I hope it's enjoyable for you. I love making websites. Like I love it. And I'm so grateful that I get to do it for money. It just feels like a dream to me. Hope you have a beautiful day and hit me up with any other questions. I love making videos for people who have specific questions, and that's how this video came around. So yeah, have a beautiful day. I'll see you soon.